For beginners looking to start trading Bitcoin, adopting a buy and hold strategy, also known as hodling, can be a simple and effective approach. Here's how to implement this strategy. 1. Long-term investment. Instead of actively trading Bitcoin in the short term, focus on accumulating and holding Bitcoin as a long-term investment. This approach takes advantage of Bitcoin's potential for long-term growth and value appreciation. 2. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Implement a dollar-cost averaging strategy by regularly investing a fixed amount of money into Bitcoin at predetermined intervals, regardless of price fluctuations. DCA helps smooth out the impact of market volatility and reduces the risk of buying at a high price. 3. Set investment goals. Define your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance before investing in Bitcoin. Determine how much you're willing to invest and for how long you plan to hold your investment. Setting clear goals can help you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making. 4. Secure storage. Safely store your Bitcoin holdings in a secure wallet, such as a hardware wallet or a multi-sig setup. Protect your private keys and practice good security hygiene to prevent unauthorized access and potential loss of funds. 5. Stay informed. Stay informed about market developments, industry trends, and regulatory news that may impact Bitcoin's price and market dynamics. However, avoid making impulsive trading decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or speculative hype. 6. Ignore short-term noise. Ignore short-term price fluctuations and noise in the market. Bitcoin's price can be highly volatile in the short term, influenced by factors such as news events, market sentiment, and trading activity. Focus on the long-term fundamentals of Bitcoin and its potential as a digital store of value. 7. Avoid overtrading. Resist the temptation to engage in frequent buying and selling of Bitcoin in response to short-term price movements. Overtrading can lead to higher transaction costs, tax implications, and increased risk of losses due to market volatility and emotional decision-making. 8. Monitor your investment. Periodically review your investment portfolio and monitor your Bitcoin holdings to assess their performance relative to your investment goals. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation and risk-return profile. By adopting a buy-and-hold strategy for Bitcoin trading, beginners can take advantage of Bitcoin's long-term growth potential while minimizing the risks associated with short-term trading and market volatility. Remember to conduct thorough research, practice prudent risk management, and seek advice from experienced investors or financial professionals when necessary.